Oxford Art Online is a massive online scholarly encyclopedia covering Western and non-Western art. Similarly, Oxford Music Online is a scholarly encyclopedia covering music and composers. In this example, I will be using Oxford Art Online, which works similarly to Oxford Music Online. I have already located Oxford Art Online on the library's page. If you need help with this, please contact the ICC Library. To use Oxford Art Online, start by typing your search in the search box. As you can see, there are a few results to this search. The first article is on Robert Capa. Click on the heading to see the article. As I scroll through this article, there is an overview of his life, along with a list of his photographic publications. Also, there is a bibliography of articles and books about him. The ICC Library can try to help you locate the items in this list. At the top of the page, there are icons that allow you to save the article as a PDF, cite the article, or email the article. Students can also see an image tied to the search results. This can be saved and used as part of a presentation. Please correctly cite the image. Oxford Music Online uses the same interface and is similarly easy to use. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the ICC Library via the yellow chat button. Thank you for using the ICC Library.